SendGrid email marketing extension tutorial. To get started, you want to go ahead and add in your license key. This is for Likeable forms, and you'll also need your SendGrid API key, and then go ahead and hit verify license key. So as long as your license is validated, we can go ahead and move on into our extension settings. Now that we have your API key, we're able to grab all of your list names that you set up inside of SendGrid, and you'll want to go ahead and select an option. The next step is we need to go ahead and build out your customer data. So we'll need an email address. We can also add the first name, last name, and mobile number. So since our form doesn't have any fields yet, let's go ahead and add a few. So we need the customer email, we'll need a customer phone number, and we're also going to add 2 text fields for the first name and the last name. So let's go ahead and change out the labels for each so that we know how to map them correctly. And now we can jump back into our settings. We'll say the email address field is for our email, the first name field is for our first name, last name is for our last name, and lastly, we'll map the phone field to the mobile number. So now once the form is submitted, we'll go ahead and add the new contact to the list name, demo list 2. There you have it.